I have been deeply inconvenienced today. Someone disagreed in a most unlawful way. They questioned my claims, they asked me how. So I've decided this ends now. I don't need statutes, I don't need proof. I felt a tone and that's enough. I don't explain, I don't debate. I threaten institutions, that's my state. I don't know crimes, but I know vibes, and this one feels felony adjacent tonight. So prepare yourselves, citizens all. I'm calling everyone, stand by for the call. I will be filing charges against everyone for everything. I don't know who decides, I don't know how, but I demand justice immediately now. I'll call the cops, the courts, the press, the FBI, my mom, the rest. I will be filing charges, so you'd better be very afraid. I'll threaten arrest with no badge shown. I'll say that's illegal in a confident tone. I'll accuse you loudly, repeatedly, then demand you prove your innocence to me. I'll say this is a crime and name 3 things: fraud, harassment, treason, maybe rings. I don't know what they mean, but I've heard the words, and I shout them best when I feel unheard. I don't file motions, I don't file claims. I file threats and I name big names. And if you ask what law was breached, I'll scream retaliation and change my speech. I will be filing charges against concepts, silence and time itself. This is criminal, that's abuse. That pause you took, highly obtuse. I'll open investigations on vibes alone. I'll subpoena your tone, your face, your phone. I will be filing charges because you said no when I felt unsafe. I'll report you to HR, even if you're a rock. I'll email the judge, even if I'm blocked. I'll call the governor, Yelp and God. I'll threaten sanctions very broad. I'll say my lawyer agreed.
I don't have one.
I'll say this is over,
It's just begun.
I'll escalate forever. That's my plan until someone mistakes me for a serious man. Charges, crimes, illegal vibes. This conversation ends in jail time. If I say it loud, it must be true. I declare a case. Now what will you do?
I will be filing charges
Against the room and everyone inside. I accuse, I threaten, I demand relief with no jurisdiction, cause or belief. Bring me courts, bring me laws, bring me forms. I'll ignore them all and issue warnings. I will be filing charges. You do not file charges. You file paperwork poorly. Court is adjourned. Remove the phone.
If you like this content, then kindly hit like, subscribe, and share. Caesar commands it.